Hello students, today we are going to learn some MCQs on linear programming problem. Okay, let us start with the first problem. For the constraint of linear optimizing function z is equal to x1 plus x2 given by the constraints x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1, 3x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 3 and x1 x2 greater than or equal to 0. This is the non-negativity restriction. Okay. And we have to test for this linear optimizing function whether there are two feasible solutions, there are infinite feasible region, and there is no feasible region, none of these. So let us work out now. So for this we need to plot the graph. Okay, so find the points first. So now first constraint is x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1. Treat inequalities as equality. Okay, so x1 plus x2 equal to 1. So now let us find the points. Put x1 0, x2 is 1. Now put x2 0, x1 is 1. Okay, next similarly take second constraint 3x1 plus x2 equal to 3. So put x1 0, x2 3. Put x2 0, x1 is 1. So the points are 0 1 1 0, 0 3 1 0. Okay, so let us plot these points. So approximately we'll mark the points. This is 0 0 origin. Okay, 0 1 x 0 y 1. So somewhere here we'll mark. Okay, this is 0 1. Next x1 y 0 we'll mark here. Approximately x1 y0. So join these 2 points with the help of straight line. Next x is 0, y is 3 somewhere here. Okay, so I'll write it as 0 3. Then x1 y0 same here. Okay, so join these 2 points with the help of straight line. Right, now we have to mark, we have to shade the feasible region. For that let us see the inequality. For the first constraint x1 x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1. This is the straight line with first constraint. Okay, x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 means we have to shade lower region. Okay, then for the second constraint, this straight line corresponds to second constraint 3x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3 means upwards region. Okay, correct. So here we cannot find any common region to common shaded region, right? So therefore there is no feasible solution. If there is a common region, shaded region, then we can say that it is a feasible solution. Okay, here since this this shows downwards and this is upwards. Okay, so there is no feasible region. So answer is C. Okay, next let us come to second question. The maximum value of the objective function z is equal to 5x plus 10y subject to the constraints x plus 2y less than or equal to 120, x plus y less than or equal to 60, x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0, and these are the non-negative restrictions is. Options are 300, 600, 400, 800. Okay, let us see this. Again we have to solve the constraints. Okay, plot the graph and identify the feasible region. Okay, then we are substituting the corner points in the objective function. You will get the maximum optimum function solution. Okay, so now similarly consider first constraint, treat inequalities as equalities. X plus 2y is equal to 120. Okay, so put x is 0, y 60, right? Then put y 0. What is x? 120. Correct. Next again, x plus y less than or equal to 60. X plus y equal to 60. Okay. X 0, y 60. Then y 0, x 60. Okay. Again, we have third constraint. X minus 2y is equal to 0. So put x 0, y is 0. Put y 0, x is 0. So these are the coordinate points. 0, 60, 120, 0. 0, 60, 60, 0, 0, 0, right? So we are going to plot the graph again. So here let me take the scale approximately. This is 50, 100, 150. Here also 50, 100, 150. Now let us plot the points. 0, 60. X is 0, Y is 60. Somewhere here approximately. Okay. Then X is 120, Y is 0. Here approximately. This is 120, 0. 120, 0. And this point is 0, 60. Okay. Let us join these 2 points with the help of a straight line. Yes. Okay. Next. X is 0, Y is 60. Again somewhere here only. Okay. Then X is 60, Y 0. X is 60, Y 0. Here. Okay. So I'll write the point. Okay. So that you find it easy while substituting the points. Join these 2 points. Okay. Next. Next is 0, 0. Question doesn't arise. Okay. So this is 0, 0 y-axis, x-axis, right? So now to identify the feasible region, let us see the inequalities. X plus 2y less than or equal to 20. This is our first. Okay. X plus 2y less than or equal to 120. Correct? This line. This line. Okay. So less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means for this line lower region. Okay. And x plus y less than or equal to 60. X plus y less than or equal to 60. This line. Okay. Again, this is lower region less than or equal to. Fine. Then again, x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. X minus 2y, x-axis as well as y-axis itself. So greater than or equal to 0 means like this, upwards arrow. So our feasible region is this. Okay. This is our feasible region. Let us name the corner points. This as A. Okay. This as B. This as C. Fine. B is nothing but 0, 0. Okay, fine. Now, let us check which point gives us maximum Z. Okay. So, what is Z? This is 5x plus 10y. Right. So, 0, 0, obviously it will not give us maximum solution. So, one point is 0, 60. Other point is 60, 0. Okay. So, we will substitute this for 0 and 60. Okay. So, this implies we will check whether we'll get maximum Z. So put x is 0, this is 0 plus put y 60. So how much we get? 600. So Z is 600 here. And similarly for this 60 and 0, what we get here? Put in this x, put 60, this is 300 plus this is 0. Okay. So 300, which is maximum of this? Obviously 600. Okay. So our answer is B, option B. Correct. Next. The graph of x less than or equal to 2, y greater than or equal to 2 will be situated in which quadrant? Options, 4 options are given, first and second, second and third, first and third, third and fourth. So for this, let us draw the graph. Okay. So now here, let me draw the graph. X less than or equal to 2. That means x is equal to 2. Okay. Y greater than or equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. Okay. So now, so here, let us draw the graph. Very easy, simple it is. Very simple. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Straight line parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to 2. Somewhere here, approximately I am writing y is equal to 2. Straight line parallel to x-axis. Right? Now, see the inequalities. X less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to 2 means lower region. Okay? That is left side region. Y greater than or equal to 2. In this way also we can plot. Okay? This is upwards. Correct? So, in which quadrant the graph lies? First and second quadrant. Okay? So, our answer is A. For third question, answer is A. Okay. Now, feasible region Fourth question. Feasible region in the set of points which satisfy options, objective function, some of the given constraints, all of the given constraints, none of these. See, above example, we saw two examples we solved. From the two examples, we came to know that feasible region in the set of points satisfies all of the given constraints. Okay, so the answer is C. So these are the few questions I had taken. So thank you, students.